Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 BMW R NINET Racer, 1250 cc's, beautiful boxer styling. I love that bullet fairing. It's also got heated grips, ABS brakes, shaft drive. Look at that rear seat cowl, really cool. Come on by and make your BMW R NINET dreams come true with this gorgeous racer model. Only 6,200 miles on the odometer. It's got a lot of nice upgrade accents. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.